Welcome back. We are now going to look at the Insert menu, and we're going to look at the Smart Art. Now, one of the things that you will know about PowerPoint is that when you use a simple animation, for example, if we use the float in animation, what happens is that these items will float in, and this is basically how PowerPoint tends to work. What Smart Art does is it allows you to be more creative and to communicate more accurately what your information is actually saying. And so if we go back to the Insert command and we go to this slide and we use the Smart Art feature and we open up the Smart Art, you'll notice that there are several different ways in which we can express relationships. We can express it as a list, and you'll see the chart. We can express it as a process. We can express it as a cycle. We can express it as a hierarchy. And on down the line, relationships, matrix, pyramid, picture, and then other things in Office. So for good measure, let's take a look at what it would look like to express a list. And we were to use this box. Now when we do that, Microsoft PowerPoint will show you what that basic block list is going to look like. If we click on this one that says alternating hexagons, then Office will show you what those alternating hexagons are going to look like. We're going to use the basic block list. And to do that, we're going to come back to our content. We're going to highlight it all. We're going to right-click the content, and then we're going to convert it to Smart Art. And in particular, we're going to look for the graphics that we want to use. We're going to click on our block list, and then we're going to click OK. And you'll notice then that our content then falls into our basic block list. So we still have the 6 points. However, they have now formulated into Smart Art. Now, if we want to make changes to the art, all we'll need to do is to click on the outline, and you're going to get your Smart Art tools at the top. So for example, if we want to do something that looks like it's a little more 3D, we can do that. If we would then want to change colors, we can use some of the other colors that Microsoft Office gives us. We can decide to use a different shape, or we can go back to the one that we have. We can then go back to our animations, and we can highlight all of the blocks, and we can choose an animation. So basically, you want to use your Smart Art as another way and an alternative to being able to present the information in a way that's going to be engaging to the people that are going to be viewing your content. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.